Do we bring prisoners in to talk about how drugs ruin their lives? Do we have a public information via the media campaign? I think that's what we need to know, but first we need the buy-in that this is an anti-drug campaign because we believe that drugs is the root of most of the crimes.
We can say, all right, that's our mission, and we're going to start with...
So goal number one is to curb drug use or to teach kids not to.
And we might find that as a result of that, we've also touched on violence, we've also touched on burglary, and we've also touched on other aspects.
The stats of substance-related offenses went from 12 in 2011, specific substance abuse, as opposed to alcohol. Alcohol's got its own stat, to 36 in 2012. So, I mean, you could actually look at your numbers as well, whether or not that correlates to what you have. But you're right. We go after drugs specifically as one of those goals. It's going to have a far-reaching effect.
We sent stuff to Hawaii. They don't need a search warrant in Hawaii. They can open up any package from Guam or partial. So I think we need to go to the root of the problem, because right now it's not coming in by the grams. It's coming in by the pounds. Are we going to wait until one of our family members get killed and then we're going to say we need to go, I think we need to go a little bit further?